Hello and welcome to the Digital Asset Traders, guys. This is one of the greatest communities that you could ever be in because guess what? We're teaching our members how to create wealth using free digital assets, guys. What is a digital asset? A digital asset to us is cryptocurrency. We're using cryptocurrency to create wealth. Not only that, we're using free cryptocurrency to help our members to create wealth. Now, what we're doing is this. We're helping each one of our members to learn how to trade within a peer-to-peer community. We have our own peer-to-peer community set up within CryptoNet Global Network. Now, this network is helping them to trade because it's teaching them Bitcoin. We have a full Bitcoin training academy back there. Plus, they have access to free tradable cryptocurrency. That means that they're going to be receiving tons of free coin that they're going to be trading dollar for dollar. Imagine that, guys. This is something that is amazing. We are a private group of like-minded cryptocurrency enthusiasts that are creating wealth by building our own network. We're building our own network. We don't need to be on anybody's network. We don't need to operate with any other organizations. We're doing this within our own network. Each of our members are now enjoying the pleasures of being able to control their own financial destiny and growth. This is what is important, guys. No longer do you have to worry about somebody controlling your money. You're right. You don't really even need to work a 9 to 5 to do this. You don't have to have a diploma. You don't have to need a degree to do this. This is just common sense strategies that we show you with free alternative cryptocurrency. Now, let me tell you something that's really important. You do not even have to go seek out the cryptocurrency, which is free, because we already have it in our arsenal, and we're going to be giving it to you so you can get out here and start making money as soon as today, guys. This is unimaginable wealth. Digital asset traders, the DAT. Well, that's the short for it, right? Work daily to create wealth via cryptocurrency. We enjoy the luxuries that digital asset trading provides, which eliminates the need for that dead-end 9 to 5 job. Guys, I'm telling you, once you start doing this, you're going to dedicate all of your time to trading these free coins and making money. Imagine being able to make $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 a day by simply bringing in new members and trading these free coins for Bitcoin, USD, gold, and silver. That's right, I said it, gold and silver. This is something that creates wealth because we already know that we need these type of assets behind us in order to grow. Gold and silver is going up, 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 and we want to be a part of that. What better way to do that than to be able to obtain it using free money? That's what I'm talking about. Free money, guys. Wealth is at your fingertips. Let me explain that to you. Wealth is at your fingertips because everybody know that anything dealing with cryptocurrency mostly take place through applications from your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. For example, BitPay, which is the BitPay wallet and debit card, that comes from your Play Store. Let's look at Coinbase. Let's look at blockchain. All of these are applications which is on your phone. That means you're going to be using that mobile device now to create wealth. You're going to be storing, oh my God, you're going to be storing so much money on your phone, guys. Imagine that. So you want to make sure that you take care of that phone, download all the proper things to secure that phone, like your 12-word passphrases and all of that. If you don't know about those things, don't worry about it. We're going to teach you. But right now, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to create wealth using that mobile device. Now, like I told you, we're going to be trading free alternative coins. Now, you may say to yourself, what is an alternative coin? Well, an alternative coin is every digital coin like Litecoin, Ethereum, these type of coins that are not Bitcoin. An alternative coin, real simply put, guys, an alternative coin is every coin that is not Bitcoin. Wow. See, that's simple, guys. There's nothing hard about this when you have someone teaching you. Now, let's look at our DAT peer-to-peer exchange, our daily asset, right? Our digital asset traders, peer-to-peer exchange, right? This exchange, we don't need banks. We do not need exchanges working with us, and we most definitely do not need a third-party entity. We're going to be doing this on a peer-to-peer basis, a member to member, peer to peer. That means no one comes within our circle. We operate within our own platform and within our own community. That is a beautiful thing, guys. Now, this is the coin. Remember, I told you we had already picked the coin for you, so you don't even have to go out there and look. We have it. We've tested it. It does exactly what it says it's going to do, right? The DAT members are currently trading the altcoin named Swift Demand. This token has many great qualities and has proven to be a great digital asset for the creation of wealth. right? With this coin, let's look at the amenities. You receive 100 tokens upon registration. For us, I'm telling you right now, we trade dollar for dollar. So those 100 tokens is $100. That's the equivalent of $100 when you trade it, right? You're able to trade from 100 to 51,200 per person. That means when you first come in, you're going to do a trade of $100 with your sponsor. You're going to give him Bitcoin. He's going to give you Swift Demand. That's a trade, right? All the way up to 51,200. That larger number is achieved once you get on the trading platform and move up through trade levels, right? You're going to receive $100 in coin on a daily basis. Right now, we're looking at it, it's anywhere from 12 to 24 hours. You will receive an additional free $100 coin, which goes into your account for doing absolutely nothing. For just being a member, you're receiving 100. But check this out. For every member that you refer, every member that you personally bring in that become a member of this club and start making money with these free coins, you're going to receive 500 tokens. Remember what I just said? With us, it's dollar equivalent, so that's $500 because we're going to show you how to trade it for Bitcoin and USD, then take possession of gold and silver. So you're receiving 500 every time someone joins using your unique referral link. That's amazing. Let's look at a $500 per day strategy. This is a simple strategy, right? Our members are following 3 simple steps, and these steps are helping them to create anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per day. You're going to set up a free Swift Demand digital asset account. Takes about 3 minutes, if that long, right? Then from there, you're going to set up a digital asset trader account with CryptoNet Global. You're going to become a member now of DAT, right? That's going to be $125 in either Bitcoin or USD that you're going to, give to your sponsor. Then your sponsor, that's that trade, guys. The trade is built within that membership. I'll explain that later. So you're going to give 125 to your sponsor, right? Then you're going to share this opportunity with 5 people every day if you can, 20 people every day, because now you're giving away something for free. A lot of people don't like to spend money, but free definitely works, right? As a result, check it out. You receive 100 Swift Demand tradable digital assets. That's a wonderful thing, right? You're going to be receiving 125, 150 bucks coming in. You receive 500 Swift Demand tradable assets via the referral bonus program. You're now qualified to earn daily trade commissions. Man, look at that. Every day you're going to be making money doing this. Let's move on, man. This thing is amazing. Give away unlimited free accounts. Give them away. Give away unlimited free accounts. That is very important. As you give away accounts, you're going to see one thing happen. You're going to see your income grow. You're going to see your coin surplus grow. And the more coin you got, the more money you can make. Okay? Give away these free accounts. Just like I said, when you give away those free accounts, you're going to be able to trade those coins dollar for dollar. And for every free account you give away, how much do you receive? 500 in coin, guys. $500 in coin. This is very important to understand, man. This thing is amazing. Now, step number 1, let's take a look at some steps. Register for a free account, get your free tokens, right? We already been over what the amenities are. Step number 2, set up a digital asset trader membership with CryptoNet Global. We already went over that. That's 25 bucks plus $100 trade. You're going to do that qualifying trade in step 3 with your sponsor. That's that total of 125. See, I told you I was going to break it down. Look at that, 125. But when you give them that $100 qualifying trade, they're going to give you $100 in Swift Demand because we must do the trade, right? Then the most important thing is to give away those free accounts. Give them away. Let's look at some money. Let's look at how we're going to make money. Let's run through this really, really quick. It shouldn't take no more than 2 minutes. Okay, when you come in, right, you're going to pay your 100. Then you're going to share with, let's say, 5 people. 5 people times $100 doing that qualifying trade of USD or Bitcoin with you. That's a total of 500. You're going to upgrade into the next trade level. We have, for ourselves, 10 trading levels. That's where we get that 51,200. Remember, I told you you're going to meet that as you go up higher. So now when you look at this, you're going to give up that 100, right? That's going to be in Bitcoin, and that's coming to you times 5 people. You're going to give them each $100 in Swift Demand. That's a total of $500 you've collected in Bitcoin or USD. You're going to upgrade to our second level of trade for 200, banking for yourself 300 of spendable money, guys. Already you're making money. All free coin. When your team members duplicate your effort, because duplication is the key, going up to that next trade level, which is 2 for 200 each, that's time 5 people, that's $1,000. You want to keep bringing in 5 people. Just keep bringing them in, 5, 10 people. That is $1,000. You're going to upgrade into level number 3 for 400. Banking another 600 in spendable money. That's 900 already, guys. You haven't done anything and you did it all for free. You've already got your 125 back. Everything is looking good. When your team members duplicate that effort going into level 3 for 400, that's $2,000 in. Wow. Man, from that 2,000 upgrade to level 4 for 800, bank 1,200. When they duplicate you going into that $800 level time to 5 people, that's $4,000, man. From that 4,000 upgrading to level 5 for 1,600, banking 2,400. When they duplicate you going into level 5 for 1,600 times 5 people, that's 8,000. From that, you're going to go into level 6, which is 3,200, banking 4,800. So pretty much, don't you see what I'm doing as I go through these levels and you're upgrading? If we continue that progression all the way down to our last trade level, you're going to go into that last trade level at 51,200, banking 76,800. Free coin, free money, guys. When they follow you, the 5 people, that's going to give you $256,000. But now look, it's at 0 because you've already achieved all 10 of your levels. So at this point, that's going to move over into your positive for a total of $409,300, guys, with free coin. Free coin. Now, how do you get the free coin? Let me show you. I'm going to take you over right now to my Swift Demand account. Bam, we on Swift Demand. I'm getting ready to log in and show you me doing a live claim of coin. Right now, you see I'm already up to 74,565 coin in my account, dollar for dollar. That's 74,565. Now, right here, you see my claim amount. This is what I'm getting ready to claim. Now, what this illustrates to you is 7 days of me not claiming, because every day you get 100. I always wait till the 7th day. That's why I made this video on the 7th day, so you guys can see me claiming $700 every week. This 700 coming in, guys, and that is not to count the bonuses. Now, watch me claim this. Pay attention to this number and this number. Watch this number when it claims, changes that number. Here we go. Bam, look at that, guys. And now look, remember I told you anywhere from 12 to 24 hours, I claim another 100 in only 8 hours. The times always vary. Now, if you look over here to your right, you'll see where it says $500 referral bonus. Look at that. $500 referral bonus, 500 referral bonus. Remember, I told you always wait a week to claim, right? You can do that. You can wait a week, or you can just claim the $100 every day. Now, understand, when you claim it every day, you're going to get that 100. If you wait for that week, it only allows up to 7 days. So if you don't claim it, it's the 8th day, you lost 100 because it couldn't put 100 in that account. This is super simple. You just saw me claim free coin, guys. Free coin. How about that? You just saw me throw $700 more up into my account. This is something that anyone can do. You set up your account, you start sharing this free account with other people, making these bonuses, 500, 500. And if you look at my account, I can go on and on. I can go on and on, guys, because I'm working the system. I'm getting this free money, and I'm creating. Right now, I'm doing almost $5,000 a day with this, guys, and I'm showing you this, so you can't say, "Oh, he's joking." Look at the amounts over here. I'm trading like it ain't nothing, right? I can go on and on. Look at the dates. April. I'm all the way back into April because I've been doing this now for a while. I've just now decided to bring it in and let people see it. But I've been doing this for a while, guys. And this account right here is booming because of the simple fact I'm working it. I'm sharing the coin with people. I'm helping people to become financially successful, and you can do the same. So join my team. Let me show you how to take free that's coming in every day. Of course, you're going to pay your $125. It always costs to start a business. But imagine this business right here, guys, where you're doing these numbers absolutely free. So right now, I want to welcome you in advance to the Digital Asset Traders. Have a great day. Take care.